Today I'm working here with my buddy Justin. He's got the right tool for the job. Check this thing out. It's called a Merlo. Pretty sweet machine. Will telescope 120 feet, and it has a hot saw and a grapple on the end of it. Rotating grapple. And he's dropping it over the service drop power line right now to stay away from the power line. Pretty darn cool what this thing is capable of. Justin! Reaching over the street and pulling it back away from high voltage power lines. Here goes the hot saw. Woohoo! Pretty fast.